How to add an admin to Instagram page. Hello peps. Adding an admin to an Instagram page can be a useful way to share the responsibilities of managing the account. Here are some steps you can follow. To add an admin to your Instagram page, ensure that you are logged into the Instagram account that manages the page you want to add an admin to. First of all, you should have Facebook app on your phone. Go to Facebook page settings. To add an admin to Instagram page first, you should have to connect Facebook page to Instagram account. Select the option Linked Accounts. Choose the option Instagram. Select Connect Account. Click Continue. You will see the Instagram screen on your mobile screen. Now you have to enter the email and password of Instagram account you are connecting. Click Login. Save Information option done. Now select the category. Creator. Select Next. Your account is ready. Instagram is connected to Facebook page now. Click Confirm. Instagram connected. Now get back to Facebook page settings. Click Page Settings. Go down for New Pages Experience. Select Page Access. Select the option People with Facebook account. Click on Add New. Click on Next. Enter the name of user. Click Give Access. Enter password and confirm. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.